Hey guys, this is Samad here from DIY King. Well, in some of my previous videos, I've been asked to build an angle grinder. So here it is. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make yourself a powerful cordless angle grinder out of commonly available hardware, such as a bunch of PVC pipe, a speed 775 DC motor, and a bunch of old laptop batteries. So have a look at how powerful this cordless angle grinder is. First of all, we are going to build the body of this angle grinder, for which we are using a bunch of PVC fittings, which includes an elbow, an end cap, and fit length of PVC pipe. Now we are going to cut this pipe in the length of 7 inch. Now to power this angle grinder, we are going to use a speed 775 DC motor. The reason behind using this motor is that it is easily available from any electric hardware store, and it has a lot of power for the purpose that we are going to use this motor. Now we are going to mount this motor onto this elbow by using 3 cutter screws, 2 of which are going to be placed on the far end of this cavity, as you can see over here, and one of the cutter screw is just going to be placed at the bottom of the elbow in order to stop the motor from moving here and there. So another thing that we need to consider is that we have to use shorter cutter screws so that it won't hit the blade rotating inside the motor. As you can see over here, that we have very limited clearance available in the motor. To prevent any injuries while operating this angle grinder, we are going to make a blade guard for this angle grinder out of a 4-inch PVC pipe, as well as a 7 mm thick MDF sheet. After measuring the distance between the mounting hole of the motor, we are going to drill 6 holes in the guard plate so that we can mount this guard on the motor in different orientation as per the convenience of using this angle grinder. In order to make the handle for this angle grinder, we are going to use a 1/2-inch PVC pipe and a wooden peg. To mount this handle onto the angle grinder, we are going to use a thick wood screw so to hold the handle on the angle grinder firmly. Now to power this angle grinder, we are going to use some old laptop batteries. Each one of them is rated at 2000 mAh, and thus I'm going to use 6 of them.
Makes me feel I belong to someone.
Now it's time to spray paint all the body parts. I'm using a matte black finish. Here I'm going to use a simple switch in order to switch on and off the angle grinder. To recharge the battery pack, we are going to use a 5 mm charging jack, and that is going to be placed on the end cap. Now I'm going to use a 4-inch cutting blade along with some custom made adapter in order to fit the blade to the motor shaft.
So guys, I hope you like this video, and you might like some of my others, so don't forget to check these videos as well. And for more upcoming projects, do subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the link just given over here. And do let me know what you want to see as our next project in the comment just below. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon in the next one.